Hello. So let's see how we connect my Power BI template, sales template, to your data. It's easy. We will connect to SQL Server, but you can connect to many sources. We will let's make a new folder, create a new folder, name it like we want, SQL Northwind, for example, and copy. The simplest thing is to copy the Connect Wizard, my Connect Wizard, in this folder. So we'll copy it here. Now we have only the wizard. We open it and it's asking, do you want to create an XML config? Okay, and it created it automatically here. Now it opens the wizard with the information we need. If this line is missing, if that's the first time you're running this wizard, it will ask you, where do you put the PBIT template file? I put it here in never mind, you will find it on your computer and select it for BSS template qt dot or free dot PBIT, whichever version you downloaded, and then it will have this information, the new folder we just created, and then we can select the data source. It may be Access, Excel, CSV, XML, Azure Oracle, PostgreSQL, Sybase, SAP HANA, and DB2. We select SQL Server. We must feed here the name of the SQL Server. This is my SQL Server, but you will have a different name on your computer. This is SQL Express, the free version. And then, after you put the name of SQL Server, you have a connection automatically to inside the SQL Server to all the databases that are inside the SQL Server. And you can select the database you are interested in. For this example, it will be Northwind. A small database will be fast to load. Select the schema, only DBO here, and the source. The source will be listed here. I list here all the PBI views or tables that starting with the three letters PBI. So you must create a view, a query like that with these fields from your data. Okay, that's your work to create a query of your data. After you created it, you name it PBI something, PBI source maybe. So I created this PBI source, select it here, and I can now save the configuration if I need another time to come here, but I will not need. I don't save. Check. Now it's checking if all the fields are in the view. All the fields are in the view and no field is in red. So no field is missing and no field is wrongly capitalized because Power Query, the engine of Power BI is case sensitive. So you must name the field with the exact casing like this, a big D and small letters, a big C and small letters. If not, it will be wrong capitals and will be in red here, so you understand it. And it must be all the same type. So department, category, subcategory, product must be string, order date must be date, and all the measures, quantity, price, sale, cost, profit must be numbers. If you don't have one of these fields in your database, just leave it null or empty MP string or 0 for number. One of the three options is good. You don't need all the fields, but it will be better if you are more data fields, of course. So the check was good, no red fields, and now the last and final step is to create a new PBIX Power BI file. Let's click it. It's asking for saving the configuration. Okay, let's save. And this is creating the new PBIX file from the template. The template is a PBIX file without data. So we cannot work on the template. It's only for creating new PBIX file. And in the creation, it will ask only one question: where is the configuration file? Where do I find my data? Your data. So it's creating it, copying it, and asking where is the folder path to config file. Press Ctrl V to paste the folder of the PBI refresh config.xml file. Okay, and I put it in the clipboard automatically, so you only need to press Ctrl V or right click and paste. Here it is, remember the new folder we just created in the demo. And last step, load the data into the new PBIX file. It will take 1 minute. If it's big data, an international retail chain, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Normally you're doing the refresh only once a day by night to get the data from the last sales day. So it will be something like 5-10 minutes once a day. You can automate it, make it automatic, so it's not a problem. That's all. We will wait 1 minute. So I want to show you the data from the SQL Server. Now it's connecting and it's loading, waiting for each table and starting to load 2000 rows. It's finished to load them, and now it's displaying the 100 pages reports. Okay, 1 second. Here we are. Let's make it a little larger. We are inside the Power BI desktop software, and we see the new file from my template, the menu. Let's see some data, demo shortcut. Inside the editor, you must control click and not only left click. Okay, let's see, control click the catalog. What Northwind is selling? Okay, we see subcategories here and products. Okay, subcategories and products, essentially food from the from many nations. We can see data in a more conventional way in tables and charts. Here it is. So it's ready to work. When you select anywhere, it will update and select every other parts of the page. It's an interactive report. I explain it in other videos. That's all. You see, it's not difficult. If you need help for the first time setup, I can help you. Goodbye. I forgot one thing. When you do refresh once a day, you will need that this file will stay in the same place. So don't erase the config.xml file, because that's the information with um, that's the information SQL Server with what is needed to connect to the data source. Okay, so don't move it and don't erase it. And when you close the file, of course, save it. If not, it will not be saved. We'll save it. You can save it anywhere, but we'll save it in the same folder with the same name, so it's more organized. But you can move it. Here it is. In 1 second it will be saved here, and the next time every day you need to work, you don't need anymore the setup wizard. You can directly make a shortcut to this file, and when you need to work, it's ready to work without asking anything. Thank you. Goodbye.